December 1st, heading out to SpinUp. Beautiful day. It's probably in the low 70s. Much different than it is back in PA, but here we go. We're on our way to SpinUp.
Give it up for Heron.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and lovers of drones in this room, welcome to SpinUp 2018. Woo! Yeah! Raise your hands in the air, wave like you just don't care. As it's the day I was born, I wanted to fly around, but it's how much I tried, I couldn't get off the ground. Then DJI spoke up, and I knew I was gone. 'Cause I can fly away now, baby, when I pilot my drone. Pilot my drone. I pilot my drone. Yeah! Yeah! All right, guys, hit me! Hit me! Come on, you guys, come on, Chris! Hit me! Oh, yeah! Ah, it's point blank! There we go, that's exciting.
SpinUp was a great event. I'm getting ready to head to the airport to head home, but I'm leaving with a lot of great connections, met a number of great people. I am excited about all the ideas that were shared, and I can't wait till next year.